Hello very friends. On our video today I am going to talk about all the products that I bought again, maybe again. This first product that I am gonna talk about now, I bought it again because it is one of the products that it keeps my under eye hydrated, meaning that whenever I use it with my eye cream, my under eye area is still hydrated kind of the next day. Okay, so the product is the Kohl's Black Pine Super Eye Serum. The second product that I'm gonna talk about, this is a trio. I got this same packaging around 2 years ago from Dermalogica to try and give my opinion, guys, and I loved my results. So, and now the one that I had is expired, but anyway, so this is the trio. It's the Target Acne plus premature skin aging. Here's the thing, another thing that it happens when you are about to turn 40, and after you turn 40 everything starts to go downhill. But anyways, it's just like if you are going back, you know what I mean, to be a teenager, you know, with all those acnes, you know what I mean, appearing on your skin. I never had problems with acne, you know, mine is just like a little bit here and there, you know what I mean. Basically, when I am near to my period, I found out when I got this trio that it worked, you know what I mean. So you use this is the first one that you have to use. This is the exfoliator. It's a very fine exfoliator. Okay, so I grab a little bit of the exfoliator. You have to wet it a little bit and then you exfoliate where you have, you know, your pimples. I have like just a little one here that is almost gone. I had another one here and another one over here. Okay, so I applied the exfoliator and then I apply this serum here, also a little bit, you know what I mean, where you have your acne, and I wait, you know, until it dries to come with the spot fade. What is gonna happen is, in my case, my experience, whenever I apply it on my acne, it takes like 3 to 4 days to be gone. But just as a disclaimer, you need to know the reason why you are having acne. Okay, so if you don't know the reasons why you are having acne, I advise you to go to your dermatologist to get it checked. The third product, it is also a skincare routine and is a sunscreen. As you know, every morning from winter to winter you need to apply your sunscreen because like we are surrounded by lights, the blue lights, the sun rays that can damage your skin. This sunscreen that I am gonna talk about now, it was my first mineral sunscreen ever, and I love it so much that I bought it once, I bought it twice, I bought it 3 times until I wouldn't like to try other types of mineral sunscreen. That these other two, this one here is from Jin Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. I love this one. It's so good under your makeup. And all the sunscreens that I am talking about here, they are tinted, okay? So this one is my go-to now, but it's almost gone. I am just like squeezing it to get like the last drops of it while I was choosing if I was gonna to repurchase the Jin one or repurchase Drunk Elephant one. I was using this one here that I had, that it came like on a kit, but I like this one whenever I am using a matte foundation because it has some kind of luminosity in it, so it kind of makes your matte foundation like a little bit more alive. I don't know, do you know what I mean? Like with that glow that comes like within. So I like this one with my matte foundation. And the product that it was my mineral tinted sunscreen, it was this one here from La Roche-Posay. This is the Untitled Light Fluid Sunscreen. I used to love this one. I am curious about to see if they changed its formula. Hopefully not, but it's good, you know what I mean, too. Once in a while you go back to the products that you like the most and to see if it's still the same, you know what I mean. My last product, it is a makeup product. This one I got a suggestion to buy it in one of those Sephora classes, so I wanted to change my foundation. I had that time, I still have the Dior Forever, but Dior Forever is like a matte foundation, right? So I didn't want anything that it was like matte but also not so hydrating, so they suggested me to get the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Oh my gosh, I love this foundation so much because it gives you the right coverage, you know what I mean, to your skin, and it's just like it gives that mystery, you know, like, is she really wearing a foundation? No, is that like her on skin, you know, because like you can see some of the, it depends like how much you apply it, right? But I apply it like very light, so you can see some, you know what I mean, some spots that I have, like some moles, and it's just perfect, you know what I mean. I like the effect on camera, you know, I like the effect on my photos, so this is my go-to foundation. This is the older one that I have. The new one, they didn't change the packaging, so it's still like the same. And of course, this is a foundation that I am wearing now. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. That will help me to know if you liked this kind of video, so I can make more for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with your friends. So I hope you guys like this video, and see you next time. Bye.